weather starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenitz.
Welcome back, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the sunshine and warmer weather today, because we're not going to see a day like this for quite some time. Looking out across the Helena Valley, looking in the direction of York, the Forest Service doing a little prescribed burn. Looks like some of that smoke beginning to settle down here a little bit. If you're planning on doing some burning here in the future, maybe wait until after this weekend, because next week with cooler temperatures, a little light snow around, and a little less in the way of wind and more humidity, much better burning conditions next week than the wind that is expected tomorrow. 57 degrees right now in Helena. Look at the clouds coming over around the Great Falls area. 54, southwest winds at 14 miles per hour. The wind kind of settling down or easing back just a bit. Temperatures 40s and 50s. We came close to 60 in a couple of areas, and there you can see that wind again dialing down just a few notches here from where we were at 5 o'clock. On the radar, way up left-hand corner of the screen, you can see a bit in the way of precipitation. That's the next storm that will be coming through. The last two storms are on the map here. This is yesterday's little system that came through, producing some severe weather down south. And then this is Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday's storm that brought some of that snow to parts of the state. Really hasn't gotten that far away. It's up there into the Great Lakes. So for the rest of this evening, pretty pleasant and quiet. That changes, though, overnight and especially through the morning hours tomorrow. Might have a pretty sunrise tomorrow, but look at the snow showers working their way down out of the mountains. A little mix of some rain and snow, and perhaps, like we saw up there around Cut Bank yesterday afternoon, an isolated thunderstorm or two with this energy coming through. Not a lot of significant precipitation, but there will be scattered showers throughout the state. Now, there's about 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow night, a secondary little wave of snow will rotate down out of Canada, up along the Rocky Mountain front through Liberty and Toole counties here, pushing into Great Falls late tomorrow evening and through the overnight. Maybe a little snow around Great Falls, the Rocky Mountain front, also around Helena, and certainly around the Lewistown area. Some of that snow will move into eastern Montana through the early morning hours of Sunday. And by Sunday afternoon, a lot of wind eastern Montana and a little sun, with a couple of snow showers in the western part of the state. So there's the snow really from Saturday night through Sunday morning into the central part of the state here, maybe an inch or two in some of the lower elevations. Here's the forecast for tonight. No snow tonight. It's a fairly mild night. Temperatures staying in the 30s for most locations here around the state, and most locations will be above the freezing point. For tomorrow, cold front goes through with wind, with falling temperatures, with scattered showers of rain and snow in the lower elevations, the mountains. If you're heading up into the higher terrain, dress warm, because it will be a chilly day, especially when you factor in that wind. Eastern Montana a little warmer up there around Glasgow at 65. Sunday, maybe a little snow in central Montana to start out. Highs in the 30s and the 40s. It's a blustery April day, and then into Monday, still some snow around. Looks like one low pressure kind of stalls out northeast of Montana. Another one starts to develop to the southwest of the state. Highs again in the 30s and the 40s, and then heading into Tuesday, yeah, a little light snow for Great Falls and Helena, maybe Cut Bank down through Bozeman and Butte, and those temperatures remain well below normal. 7-day forecast here for Helena, so 50 tomorrow, 52 on Friday, everything in between. We're in the 30s and the 40s, and I do believe between Tuesday and Wednesday might get a couple inches of snow even in the lower elevations. Certainly cold enough. And for Great Falls, a windy day tomorrow more than anything. Some snow Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then a light accumulation possible Tuesday and Wednesday.